What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to convert Matic tokens from ERC20 or from Ethereum chain to Polygon to native chain. So for example, let's say you bought your Matic tokens on Coinbase and then you realize they're on Ethereum blockchain. So right here, as you can see, I have Matic in my MetaMask and they're under Ethereum blockchain because Coinbase only supports Matic or Polygon tokens on Ethereum blockchain. Let's say if you decide to use like a quick swap or something else and you need your Matic tokens or Polygon tokens on Polygon blockchain, here's what you need to do. We need to transfer them or convert them from Ethereum. We're going to convert them to Polygon. If you are using MetaMask, what you need to do, you need to add Polygon chain into your MetaMask. And to do that, you need to press on this little icon and then press on settings, and then in settings scroll down until you'll see networks, press on it, and then right here add network. Once this window is going to appear, you'll have to fill this information out. I already made a video about how to add Polygon network into MetaMask. I'll leave that link in the description below. Also, I will leave all this information that you have to put here, and then you just press on save, and then Polygon network is gonna appear. So right here, once you're gonna press on the little drop down menu, you're gonna be able to see Matic mainnet. So that's the Polygon network. So then we're gonna go back here. You'll have to go to this website and I will leave a link in the description below, or you can go from Polygon website. If you go to use Polygon and press on Polygon bridge, press on it, it's gonna bring up exactly the same thing. So we're gonna use Polygon bridge. Right here, we need to connect our wallet, and I'm using MetaMask. Press on it, and then this window is gonna appear. We're gonna press next, and then connect. And then in here, we need to press on sign. So right here, here's what we're gonna do. From Ethereum chain, we're gonna transfer to Polygon chain. In here, we need to press on this little caret, and then scroll down, and then we're gonna select our Matic tokens. I have 10 of them. And then right here, you can set how many of them you would like to transfer, or press on max and then press on transfer. Then this window is going to appear. Press on continue, basically stating it could take from 7 to 8 minutes. And then this is the gas prices at the time of creating the video, but they might be different whenever you actually going to be doing that. And then press on continue. And then right here, you can see estimated transaction fee, $13. So this is how much it's gonna cost me to transfer. So in my case, I'm not gonna do that because it's not worth. I don't even have enough money. Also keep in mind, to do this transaction, you have to have Ethereum in your MetaMask because that's what you're gonna use to pay for gas. I don't have any Ethereum, so I'm not gonna even be able to do that. And then once you press on continue, right here it's stating, please select Ethereum network in your MetaMask. If I go back here and then switch from here to Ethereum, and then I'm gonna press on continue again. See, I don't have any Ethereum, so this is actually not gonna work. It says inefficient fund because actually the gas fee is gonna be $9.42 at this time to make this transfer. And if I would have Ethereum to complete this transaction, I would press on confirm, and then this window would appear, and I would just have to wait a little bit until it would convert my ERC20 Polygon to Matic. And after the confirmation would be done, I'm going to press on reject. And if you would go back to your MetaMask and then change chains to Matic and then assets, my tokens would appear over here. And this is pretty much it. That's how you convert your ERC20 Polygon Matic tokens to actual Polygon network from Ethereum chain to Polygon chain. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.